In today's episode, we want to dive deeper into AI and how entrepreneurs can use AI to their advantage. We've talked in a previous episode about the precautions that you should take in not relying on AI or thinking that AI could be a coach, mentor, or even co-founder. And this episode, we dive deeper into how specifically you can actually use AI to help you build and run your business. Specifically, today we're going to talk about using AI such as ChatGPT or Claude as an assistant. Also here, it is important to note that there are some things it's really good at and some things that it's not good at. And Derek will dive into how exactly to start using AI as an assistant and what to be careful about. And let's dive right in.
Yeah, thanks, Ben. Well, last episode, we talked about, the things not to use AI for, and you really don't want to do that. Okay. Now, starting a company, being a founder, an entrepreneur, I thought of it as a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week sprint, marathon sprint over and over again. And in my experience, would have loved to have some assistants and some interns and stuff like that, but I couldn't afford them. Okay. Well, ChatGPT and Claude are fantastic junior assistants and interns that can do a lot of that work that is time consuming, but not necessarily, propelling you forward. And every founder should be using these AI tools to help them be more efficient. Okay. Now, don't assume that this AI intern that you have, knows exactly what you want and how you want it. So what's really important to do is to give it clear instructions. These are the prompts. So you just type in, what you want it to get and how you want it to do that. And then also to deal with the problem of hallucinations, ask it to document every fact that it comes back and gives you. Where did you find it? And have it put in the link. Okay. That way, it makes it really trivial for you to double check and not be fooled, because still your AIs will put in, links that don't exist.
Mm-hmm.
And give you facts that aren't true. Less and less, but still you need to check it. Need to give it those clear instructions and make sure that it allows you to check it. Okay. So, but then with AI, you never want to fill out another form, let alone try and find the form on the internet and download it and fill it out. AI is fantastic at that. Okay. I personally like Claude Cowork, but the newer models of ChatGPT, they work just fine too. Okay. I like it to go out and do competitive research, keep track of your business and your market and who's doing what. Hey, so-and-so just introduced a new product to me, a new product to the market. What do you think about that? And what are people saying about that? Well, you could spend an afternoon trying to find that, but I assure you, Claude and Chat will do just an even better job in a very short period of time of going out and surveying all the comments about the new product introduction and what people like and don't like. And they'll do that on your products too, and you should be doing that about your products and your ideas and the like. Rely on Chat to do that. Don't waste your time anymore. Okay. Research in general, I need to learn about, what events are happening in New York City that I might be able to, rent booths at, where people who are interested in, kite flying will hang out. Yeah, you can spend a day researching that. Chat or Claude will give you the answer in less than a minute, and it will be a very good answer. So you want to use Chat or Claude or some combination or both as assistant, as a very enthusiastic intern, fresh out of school and, fresh to your industry or your business or who you are. And don't use your time doing that anymore. the technology is wonderful for that.
Yeah, and we already do see, especially a lot of the entrepreneurs in our community that we work with, everyone is really embracing using AIs exactly as these junior interns or assistants. If you are just getting started or want to dive deeper into that, we will link an article that we've published on the topic specifically in the show notes. Also, feel free to join our membership and our community chat to exchange ideas or even ask questions. We also have some sample prompts in the article as well. So that should get you started in no time. And as Derek pointed out, you can use any of the free models to just get started, and they do just a great job for you to experiment and then take it from there. So stay tuned for the next episode on AI, where we will discuss how to use AI to help you with bookkeeping, which is a very exciting and very relevant topic. So stay tuned for that episode to come out very soon.